Okay everyone, so let's make some baked pork chops. Here I have some thin cut pork chops. Welcome to my channel. This is Cooking with TK, and let's get straight into this video. Okay, so these are thin cut pork chops. So the very first thing that I'm going to do to make these pork chops in gravy is I am going to show you how I'm going to do the gravy today. I'm not making my gravy from scratch at all today. Okay, so here I have some Lipton onion soup mix. As you see, these are the contents in there. I'm going to pour this in this cup of water, and this is 2 cups of water, everyone, okay? Next, I'm going to use some brown gravy mix. If you don't have brown gravy mix, just use a couple of tablespoons of flour, okay? And I'm going to mix this together. This is going to help make our gravy. Now, I'm a person that likes thick gravy. So if you want to be super thick, you'll add in a little more flour, okay? But I'm fine with it just like this. You're gonna wipe that off. Okay, so this is going to be our gravy mixture for today for our pork chops and gravy. I'm making it simple for you, okay? And this is for people who don't know how to make something and need an idea, okay? So now, let's get back to our pork chops. We're going to season our pork chops. We're going to start out with some garlic powder, okay? Then we're going to go just a dab of seasoning salt, just a dab. You don't need a lot, y'all, because the Lipton onion soup mix has a lot of salt in it. So next we're gonna go in with some black pepper. Okay. And now we are going to season the other side of our chops as well. These chops are thin. Okay. Very thin chops. So I'm gonna turn my pork chops over. Remind you, I told you they were thin chops. And make sure you rinse under the sink, or some of you might call it wash, your meat, okay? And if you have paper towel, go ahead and dry it off. Okay, so we're gonna do the same side. Container, I have a 9x13 baking dish. What I'm going to do is I am going to just lay my chops in my baking dish, okay? Your gravy mixture over your pork chops. Pour all 2 cups. I am going to cover my pork chops with this foil. And we are going to bake this at 375 degrees, okay? So hit bake, go up to 375 to preheat your oven. Once your oven is preheated, you're gonna put your pork chops in the oven. Okay everyone, so now our baked pork chops with gravy is done after 25 minutes because these pork chops are thin. If they are 1 inch thick, you go for 30 to 35 minutes, okay? But because these are so thin, it only takes 20 to 25 minutes. And I cooked mine for 25 minutes, okay? So let me show you. See, voila, we have some pork chops and gravy baked in the oven. Now the longer this, once it cools off, our gravy will get thicker. Right now it's thin, okay? But this is how you make baked pork chops and gravy in the oven. Real simple, real easy recipe that anyone can do, okay? Okay, you guys, so this is our baked pork chop. I broke it so that you can see the inside of it. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Leave lots of comments down below. And stay tuned to your girl channel for another great video. Peace and have a wonderful day.